So I was given two messages for the collective today. The first message is if you get to a point in your spiritual journey and you are a person who deals with like crystals and things like that, the metaphysical world, and you get to a point where you feel like you have to wear every crystal that you own. You have to surround yourself with every single crystal. You go out and you feel guided to wear every crystal that you have. That is your direct message that you need to up your spiritual protection. It's not about the crystals that you wear. The crystals don't do the work for you. You have to, put your intentions into these crystals. The crystals are there for a what, what's the word that I'm looking for? The crystals are there for the aesthetic of the intention. They're not there for the intention. They're there for the aesthetic to help you to bring in whatever it is that these crystals are said to offer us metaphysically, right? So if you feel like, oh, I need all these crystals, I'm gonna put all these on. Yes, it's good if it's okay if you wear a few, but if you wear a lot of crystals, you got a bunch on each arm, you got them all on your fingers, all in your ears, all in your hair, all around your neck, and it's not just for style. It's for because you just feel like, oh, I feel guided to these crystals. I need these crystals. Protect your space, your energy, protect your peace, protect your space, up your spiritual protection because you are most definitely being spiritually attacked. Um, it get that phrase, too much of anything is not a good thing. Do things in moderation. So if you feel like you have to overdo it, I'm hearing overkill. A lot of these crystals contradict one another. You may have one that wants to bring peace and tranquility on, and then you put on another one that wants you to stand up for be passionate and fight for your beliefs and all of this. And it's like you have to, you have to just up your spiritual protection. That's number one. So number two is if you feel like you don't know what an angel number means, right? Don't go to other sources, to outside sources. Go within. The angel numbers mean different things for different people. If you look these angel numbers up and you actually pay attention, there are different meanings. Yes, some of them may have an overall, you know, um, energy about, what different people say, but your spirit team is talking to you specifically. And anytime that they give you a sign or a message, they tell you what it means, especially if you ask. So if you see people trying to put their meanings of the angel numbers for you onto you, then, take a step back. Everyone has their own spirit team. Everyone has their own energies of what they feel like numbers and crystals and things like that mean. But your spirit team is speaking to you. You have to connect with this spirit team. The message that I'm getting right now is if you're getting angel numbers that you don't know the meaning of, that's your spirit team reaching out for you to connect with them. And also, it I was going to tell you a specific meaning, but I'm not going to tell you a specific meaning. I'm just going to tell you that angel numbers are divine alignment. They're signs, of course, but they're divine alignment. They're just there to let you know that you're on the right path. Now, if you need specific messages, you need specific answers on what these angel numbers mean, you need to go within, go pray, go meditate, and just write these numbers down. A message that I'm getting now is write these numbers down that you're getting throughout your day. Make a list, make note, take stock of these numbers and what's going on in your day. What do you see is like an underlying thing that's going on, that's ever present in your day. That is what's going to be connected to that angel number. I hope I'm making sense because the messages are coming to me and I'm just trying to speak them, but they're coming so quickly. But connect to your own meanings for spiritual angel numbers. Don't always go to outside sources. I do get that if you're a beginner and you don't know how to connect to the Most High, you don't know how to connect to the spiritual realm, you just want help. I get that. But make sure you look at trusted sources. Don't just go for the first thing that you see or the first person that you hear. These readers or people, these spiritualists who tell you 7-Eleven means this, this, and that, that's what it means for them. That it's not always the same for everyone. So maybe it may resonate with you, maybe it doesn't, but connect on your own. Use your own discernment. This journey is about connecting with oneself, connecting with the Most High, and then connecting with others. You don't connect with others and what they got going on first, and then try to figure out yourself by figuring out, letting people tell you things. You have to do your own research. And by that, I don't mean going on Google. I mean, Google can help, but this is spirituality. You go to the spirit for help in spirituality. You don't go to Google. But if that's how you get your answers, if you pray to spirit, you pray to the Most High and said, I want to go on Google and find this answer that you have for me, and that's how you go, then that's one thing. But if you're searching for answers spiritually, if you're searching for spiritual answers, you have to, seek them spiritually. So I hope that I feel really, I feel really winded saying this. So I feel like a lot of people are like having anxiety when it comes to whatever steps they're taking right now. Don't be anxious. Don't get nervous. I mean, those are normal feelings, but don't let them hold you down or stop you or slow you down. Just keep going, keep moving past them, because you always have to go through a grace period, an adjustment period when you take certain steps. Okay. So I hope this was helpful. I send you all so much love and light, and keep swimming. Namaste. Oh, always be grateful. I've been omitting to say that in a lot of my videos lately. But if you know me, if you follow me long enough, you know I practice gratitude and I try to get others to practice gratitude. But when there are so many messages, I may forget to say it. But always practice gratitude and always drink your water. Namaste.